Hey, welcome back everybody. Dave Shipley from BISH'S RV here in Great Falls, Montana. Today we're showcasing the 2018 Hideout 21 THWE. So as you can see, we are talking about a front deck toy hauler today. The deck on this toy hauler is 80 inches by 90 inches. It comes with the ramps already built into either side. Dual 30-pound propane tanks and a spot for 2 batteries up front. Manual jacks front and rear, which gives you an extra stability with how spaced out they are. Nice big full size lit awning. Let's take a look at the inside. So one thing you'll notice, as soon as you walk in here, immediately to your right is going to be a queen size bed turned sideways just to give you a little bit more space, because we're talking about a 21-foot bunkhouse here. It does have storage underneath. You can put your riding gear in there, extra food, maybe some lawn chairs, whatever you want to do. Nice big spacious kitchen coming in back here with a booth style dinette that also turns into a bed. 8 cubic foot Dometic dual purpose refrigerator. Right next to that, 3-burner stove above your oven. If you want to cook some spaghetti, maybe even have some cookies for the kids, you name it, you got it. Microwave also. Little TV to keep your kids occupied at night with a CD and DVD player right up here next to the cabinets. All the way around this camper, you're also going to have tons of cabinet space for whatever you need when you go camping. Back here, we're going to have double bunks. The bottom bunk is a full-size bunk that folds up from the outside so you can have extra storage underneath. That's why that little door is back there in the corner. Also a rear corner bath with a tub for smaller kids or even a little dog if you want to give it a bath while you're out. And outside sink with a mirrored medicine cabinet. So right here we have the 2018 Hideout 21 THWE. Hope you like what you see. Come on in today to BISH'S RV, 3928 Tri-Hill Frontage Road in Great Falls, Montana. Hope to see you soon.